You see it. Ride your shit.
Can I be on your family?
Yeah.
If you got a bike and if you got a Harley for sure and you don't get on that highway, man, trade that motherfucker in.
I got Dub C. Yeah, we ain't in Richmond, baby. We are not in Richmond. Yeah, haters off my dick. Fuck up with the flawed ass basic crew. And bustin' down bosses that be acting rude. Talk about you back in the face about your dick. Definitely need this. Now I know I just straight raw dog the glass. Do I need to put it on camera? No! What you about to ask me something?
Hey, how you doing?
I had to go wash my ass. I'm gonna go to the steakhouse because I deserve it.
Look, bro, you a celebrity now.
The bike is a celebrity.
You are a celebrity. Niggas don't watch under the hood with Power's bike. They watch under helmet with.
What's up, good people? And welcome back to another episode of UTHWP. And I'm your host for today's episode, Power. And we on ground. We are OTMFG. And what I mean by we is, I mean me and you, us. Because if you can see behind me right now, I am solo for the dolo. And I am headed northwest. And we're going to cross a couple of state lines today, y'all. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. All right, quick pit stop. We're at Mickey D's. It's crazy. When I was getting dressed this morning, I was like, man, do y'all do this too? Like, wear the same outfit on the road when you're about to take a trip? It was just like, especially as a YouTuber, you kind of be conscious of like, oh man, I think I had this on my last video, even though your last video could have been months ago, but it could have just came out last week. And you're wondering like, damn, I wonder if people think I don't have no clothes to wear.
But y'all got to understand, when you're watching videos, time has passed. And it just so happened to be time to wear that shirt and those pair of pants and those shoes again.
Kid. This the one we booked off of the park.
Where's they going? They over there doing that same shit you did. They look around.
What I did was, instead of me turning and making a U-turn, I went through that lot. Yeah, but I told go, and I said, Derek, go right there. And she still
What's up, bro? How you, man?
King Power, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, I was telling her. I said, Derek, go.
Stand up. About 15 minutes.
Oh,
I told them they got a cigar bar around here about 15 minutes.
This motherfucker nasty right here. Whew. That is nice.
look here, Louisville. It's hot. I had to go wash my ass. There, for some reason, I'm fiending for like a juicy ass steak. So I'm gonna go to the steakhouse because I deserve it. I deserve it. All right, I'm gonna wash my ass and go find something to eat. One.
It's like some pounds one way, which I doubt it.
I got to go. Hey, how you doing? Let me get you a drink. I just seen you last weekend. How you doing? Older? Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
Yeah, I seen you.
How you doing,
I seen you back on live. I just seen him. Yeah.
Good?
I'm fine.
That's good.
What's up, good people? It's day 2 out here in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm about to get on ground and see what the city has to offer. You know, I don't just go no place and sit in a hotel or just sit on the set. I gotta go out and see some things. So I did the bike thing yesterday or last night. Got off the road, went to State Burner's bike night. Had a good time there, pulled up at the clubhouse. And today's their meet and greet, so I'll probably do that as well. See what that do. As well, give it a little bit of a wipe off with this damn Clockworks Shine Works. Definitely need this. I'll be throwing your trash all over the set either. Dang. Just on the ground, period. More than likely, you'll come across a place to throw away some trash. And no need, as a grown-ass adult person, be throwing all your trash all over the damn. If y'all ride these new bikes, Gen 2 bikes, I would say check this out right here. Always double check this thing right here. Because on one of my rides, I had noticed that it was starting to come off from the grommets. That's it. Shit. Hope I'm going 64 west. Yeah. Tunnel, you gotta crack him. You gotta crack him. Nothing like being in a different city and seeing some different architecture and headed over to the meet and greet. State Burner's 80th anniversary. You see it, ride your shit. That's what we do. Look at here, look at here. Got motherfucking El Presidente. What up, baby? Shit. How was that ride?
It was alright, man. It was alright. Beat it up. Let your man be the free. He can beat it up. I'm with some killers with that energy. I just need a drink and then you know I'm feeling good. I ain't got no timing for no enemies. Today you get a pass for sliding back, you know I would. If you ain't tryna win, then what you in it for? Have to roll the dice or call it 10 or 4. Get yourself some paper, that's an antidote. But do it on the low unless it's need to know. I think I need to grow, feel like my ceiling's low. The way these run aim out but still ain't eating though. I got them beaten though, 'tis the season though. I'm just chillin' in the cut and let the speakers blow.
I did the same shit. Dropped that bitch yesterday. I did the same fucking thing yesterday. What's up, good people? It's Power. I got Dub C. Yeah, we ain't in Richmond, baby. We are not in Richmond. I almost want to say we're down here in the Lou, but that's St. Louis though. But we are in Louisville, Kentucky. So yeah, we about to go in the Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory, I think it's called. See if we can get some miniature baseball bats, at least one for nephew. DC hit me up, he begging for shit. Talking about, get me one. I got nothing but love for you, baby.
State burners 80. Heavy on the ground.
North Florida, South Florida is like.
And it is packed. Heavy on the king shit. When you done locking in, man, talk to him. You talk to him on mine.
Then we talking about from Atlanta to Kentucky. 3 o'clock in the morning, got here at 9 in the morning. Some slight miles, man. That's what we do.
Little light work.
Support. If you got a bike and you got a Harley for sure, and you don't get on that highway, man, trade that motherfucker in. Y'all understand the power of bonding and connecting. Atlanta to Richmond to Kentucky to California to wherever, man.
Hell yeah.
Get on that highway, man. Experience them different roads. That city shit, y'all. That shit washed up. We're gonna support local because that's what we gotta do. We understand that. But
got to.
getting out the state, crossing the state line, y'all, that's where it's at. We're gonna experience something different. We're gonna meet new people, meet good people, man.
Sure.
I said we ain't saying this shit just because it's a camera, but y'all, it's different. And me coming from Atlanta, this is my first time here. I'm having a good time so far. I'm gonna rest up and do this shit all over again.
That's
and
it.
then the night party gonna be crazy, y'all.
I know, bro.
Again.
Boy, make sure you drink some water.
Oh, shit. It now.
I seen you last night.
You did.
I seen Cam last night.
You did.
He ain't had no camera on.
He probably had the little.
I said, hey bro, you in bourbon country and what you doing?
Baggers and bourbon.
I got Mexican something. Where we at? Under him with who?
What power? All day.
Got these Virginia Kings out here.
Yeah. Take a shot. This will put me right to sleep tonight. Well, today. I'm damn sure about to go take me a good nap.
You on ground? Where that pretty
that trailer down here.
Where that pretty motherfucker at?
It's over there. She over there.
Hey, look, bro. You a celebrity now.
The bike is a celebrity.
You are a celebrity. Niggas don't watch under the hood with Power's bike. They watch under helmet with Power. Support your folks.
You hear the man.
If they look like you,
tell them who you are, just in case they don't know.
Clean_draws on Instagram. I just found out that the underscore, I used to call it a bottom dash. It's actually an underscore. I just found that out like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
But yeah. Support your folks. If they look like you know what I mean, they do what you do. Fuck with your peoples, man.
That's it.
It don't matter what coast they on. I'm an LA nigga, man. I'm fucking with some Virginia peoples.
All day.
Fuck around.
That's it, bro. Appreciate you. I'll see you tonight.
You ain't gotta turn me up, cause I'm already turned up. They done stole my swag, riding waves like Subway Surfer. You taking notes on how to be a boss like me, I don't blame you. Feel like Golden State in 2016, I can't be tamed. I'm the one, you like number 2 or 3, catch up. Hey, don't hate the player, hate the game, why you man my bands up? You're a rookie, I'm a vet, so when you speak, you come correct. Crunch time or under pressure, boy, I bet I passed the test. Been in the studio for 40 hours straight, I'm a lab rat. Spent the bag, triple that, you can vouch I did that. You can't talk money to me when you can't even pay your debt. Taking trips to different states, I'm on the way, I be right back. I can't be guarded, Clan Steph. I'm plugged in just like some Wi-Fi. I ain't just a rapper, I get money and get active. Piping it was natural, I ain't have to try to practice. I ain't have a bank or safe, I used to use a mattress. You ain't gotta turn me up, cause I'm already turned up. They done stole my swag, riding waves like Subway Surfer. You taking notes on how to be a boss like me, I don't blame you. Feel like Golden State in 2016, I can't be tamed. I'm the one, you like number 2 or 3, catch up. Hey, don't hate the player, hate the game, why you man my bands up? You're a rookie, I'm a vet, so when you speak, you come correct.
Good morning. It's that time. Sunday morning. Here. And I am about to do the same. Hurt.
Huh?
You hurt?
Bro, I'm not even hurt. I'm just like, bro, I gotta get some food.
Yeah. I think I need to go to the bathroom and make a phone call.
Oh, hell, I asked that nigga for the weather.
I was like, man, do I need to, can I wait till I get to the house to make this phone call or not? I was like, nah, bro. I gotta make this phone call now.
Oh, shit.
Cold?
That bird.
Burping. I'm gonna go ahead and make a phone call real quick. Oh, shit. This bitch shouldn't even started though. Damn, I got bugs all over this. I'm sorry, y'all. So unprofessional. And that, my friends, is how you scatter the roaches. Hold on, I'm sweating my ass off. Whew. Shout out to State Burners, 80th anniversary. Appreciate y'all for showing love to the Kings. Hopefully we see y'all next year at our annual. Probably see a lot of y'all out in Atlanta in July. Louisville was a great time. Great time in Louisville. Shout out to all the people that follow the channel. All my subscribers out there that I met. That was really a, what's the right word? Like a humbling. I think I'm already humble, so I don't want to say a humbling experience, but I really appreciate it. I really appreciated that, y'all. Salute to all of y'all. Salute to some new subscribers that I picked up out there. So, yeah, salute to y'all. Welcome to the madness. And thank y'all for tuning in to UTHWP. And always remember, people, the best motorcycle is the one that you ride. One.